Selling books on Amazon is a fantastic way for newcomers to start earning money, and here's why. Massive traffic. Amazon attracts billions of visitors each month. Zero startup costs. Publishing on KDP is completely free. Endless opportunities. The vast book market offers limitless potential. Many YouTube tutorials promote passive income strategies for KDP, often presenting an overly simplistic view of the process. The typical steps suggested are: go to Canva, search for blank notebook, choose a theme, design a cover, publish it as an ebook. This shortcut approach has led to a flood of poorly crafted journals and planners, resulting in Amazon tightening its policies on low-effort submissions. To avoid the disappointment of having your book rejected, refrain from creating generic notebooks. Even if accepted, the oversaturated market means sales are far from guaranteed. While AI can be a powerful tool for creating captivating books, it must be used thoughtfully. Rushing to publish low-value content, like subpar children's storybooks, is not advisable. Only offer products you would personally want to buy. If your book garners negative reviews, Amazon may take notice and remove it from their platform, potentially leading to further consequences. Instead, focus on producing high-quality AI-generated works, such as recipe books, coloring books, eBooks featuring AI-generated illustrations. eBooks are among the easiest products to sell due to their high demand. However, just like social media relies on followers, marketplaces depend on keywords. Without thorough keyword research, even the most well-crafted books can get lost in Amazon's algorithm, making them hard for potential buyers to discover. Most Amazon shoppers don't have specific brands in mind. They simply enter queries into the search bar and choose from the top-ranking results. Neglecting market research or the keyword ranking system can lead to frustration and stagnation. While it might seem quicker to bypass keyword research, investing time up front will yield greater returns in the long run. With passive income, success hinges on the profitability of initial efforts. In conclusion, finding the right keywords is crucial for success. We've compiled a list of high-demand, low-competition keywords in various niches, including parenting, introverts, relationships, careers, travel, cooking, and recipes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.